Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. I was think that I would film in the woods this time. We're in Kananaskis. Pretty cool. We just got here I think 30 minutes ago. So yeah, this is Kananaskis campground. So yeah, I have my helmet on. My bike's over there. Let's see what we can do. So, my bike. I'm gonna drive around, one hand on the camera, one on the bike. I'm used to doing one hand, but with a camera and keeping it steady, I'm not really sure if I can keep it steady that much, but I think it'll work. So, let's give it our best shot. And I'll give you a little scenic view. Still snow. There's still snow out here. My mom told me to go and find a place where I can grab some drinking water. A place. Well, let's go. Put my left hand, just get ready, and let's go. So over there's the bathrooms. There's garbage over there, garbage can way over there, around the corner. And I'm gonna turn around while I'm gonna go through this place. Bathrooms, extra camping space. There's some campers, some angry campers. We're gonna get some like assassin vid and pick FPS Russia. Well, let's continue. So just continue. Keep going. Through here. And if I keep going, I'll hit my camper. Well, camper van. It's 26 years old. It's a Volkswagen Westphalia, and I'm getting to it at the moment. We have tarp on, and my mom's currently cooking. So, yeah, that's our van. There's my dad. So yeah, that's just